Hey guys, Tuvi here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use our tabletop V-flats along with our duo boards. So these are tabletop V-flats. They're just these bifold boards that open up like this, in black and in white. Let's take a picture of this little setup that we have over here. The light that we have over here for the video is not affecting what we have here because I'm exposing for my strobe over here. So obviously I've taken some shots without the strobe and it's pitch black, can't see anything. So that's also something just to keep in mind. Okay, so I'm gonna take a picture of what I got going on here. I'm gonna take a profile picture, and that's why I'm using some props that have a little bit of height because I wanna get like a nice profile shot. Okay, so as you can see, this is like, it's nice and moody because we have the light coming in from over here in a very specific direction. So it's causing very deep shadows on this side. So if I wanted to open up those shadows, I would just take the white tabletop V-flat. I could either use it this way, or I could use it this way. Let me try like this. We'll take the same shot, and you could see like the before and after, it's crazy. Just with this bounce board, it just adds a ton of light. It just pushes so much light back in, which is great, and you don't need a second light here. If I wanted to deepen the shadows and make this side even more dramatic, then I would bring in the black, and that would give me the opposite effect. So let's bring in the black here. And there we go. Yeah, we're gonna line up the differences side by side and show you how it looks without a V-flat, the white, and then with the black. That's how we use our tabletop V-flats. They're great. You can also use it as an actual backdrop. You could lean this like against a wall or something, and then you have a black background for a product, or you could use the white side for the white background.